Jamaica's Jaheel Hyde claims silver in 400-meter hurdles final at Commonwealth Games. Jamaican hurdler Jaheel Hyde claimed the silver medal in the men's 400-meter hurdles final on Saturday at the Commonwealth Games 2022 in Birmingham. In a race which was won by Kieran McMaster of the British Virgin Islands in 48.93 seconds, Hyde did Jamaica proud by taking the silver medal spot in 49.78 seconds, ahead of Alastair Chalmers, who took the bronze medal in 49.97 to give the little island nation of Guernsey their second medal at these games. Please see your screen now for the placements of the other athletes who competed in this event final.